to my channel. The 2026 Lexus ES takes sophistication to an entirely new level, blending elegance, comfort, and performance in a way that few sedans in its class can match. From the moment you see it, you can tell this car means luxury. The exterior design remains unmistakably Lexus. Sleek, refined, and assertive, but now with sharper lines, a more athletic stance, and a redesigned front spindle grille that looks both modern and powerful. The new adaptive LED headlights and sculpted air vents emphasize precision and aerodynamics, while the chrome accents and available two-tone color options make the ES stand out even more. The car's body has been refined for reduced drag, helping it glide through the air with whisper-quiet smoothness. Step inside, and you're greeted by an interior that feels more like a high-end lounge than a car cabin. Every surface feels premium, from the handcrafted leather upholstery to the soft ambient lighting and open-pore wood trims. Lexus continues its omotenashi philosophy, meaning everything is designed around the comfort and convenience of the driver and passengers. The 2026 ES offers even more legroom in the rear, thanks to its extended wheelbase, and the seats have been re-engineered for optimal posture support on long drives. The updated infotainment system now features a massive 14-inch touchscreen with improved responsiveness, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even voice recognition that feels natural to talk to. The Mark Levinson surround sound system delivers concert-level audio quality, making every drive feel like a private performance. Under the hood, the 2026 ES continues to offer multiple powertrain options, including the ES 350's refined 3.5-liter V6 engine producing around 305 horsepower, and a hybrid variant that perfectly balances performance with efficiency. The hybrid ES 300h can now deliver an impressive 48 miles per gallon combined, thanks to updated electric motor technology and lighter battery components. The transmission has been fine-tuned for smoother gear changes, and acceleration feels instant yet graceful. For driving enthusiasts, the available F-Sport trim sharpens the experience with sport-tuned suspension, paddle shifters, and dynamic handling that brings excitement without sacrificing the ES's signature comfort. Performance-wise, Lexus has worked hard to make the ES more engaging on the road. The steering feels precise, the chassis more rigid, and the noise insulation better than ever. Whether you're cruising through city streets or hitting the open highway, the ES offers a balance of quiet composure and confident control. Even at high speeds, the cabin remains calm, thanks to improved soundproofing and aerodynamic refinements that minimize wind noise. Safety remains one of Lexus's strongest selling points, and the 2026 ES comes fully equipped with the latest Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0. This suite includes advanced driver aids like lane tracing assist, adaptive cruise control, road sign recognition, pedestrian detection, and proactive driving assist. The new emergency steering assist and front cross traffic alert add even more layers of protection, keeping you safe from potential collisions in busy intersections or unpredictable situations. On the technology side, Lexus has integrated smart connectivity throughout the car. There's an available digital key feature, allowing you to unlock and start the car with your smartphone, and an upgraded heads-up display that projects essential information directly onto the windshield. The climate control now uses AI-based sensors that automatically adjust temperature and airflow according to sunlight, outside conditions, and even the number of passengers in the car. From an ownership perspective, the ES continues to offer remarkable reliability and low maintenance costs, a hallmark of the Lexus brand. The combination of craftsmanship, durability, and attention to detail makes it one of the most dependable luxury sedans in the world. It's also designed with sustainability in mind, using eco-friendly materials where possible and incorporating advanced manufacturing techniques to reduce emissions. In essence, the 2026 Lexus ES isn't just about getting from point A to point B, it's about making every journey feel effortlessly luxurious. It's a car that appeals equally to those who value comfort, those who crave refined performance, and those who simply appreciate meticulous engineering. The ES remains a benchmark for what a modern luxury sedan should be: elegant, efficient, safe, and above all, beautifully balanced. Whether you're stepping into the driver's seat for a spirited drive or sitting in the back enjoying the serenity of the cabin, the 2026 Lexus ES promises a driving experience that's as intelligent as it is inspiring.